sourcing precision metal components has evolved beyond a simple transaction. It's now a critical integrated discipline. Leading OEMs are aligning strategic sourcing, project engineering, design, and product development into one coordinated process. This integrated approach directly impacts your cost, quality, speed, and risk profile. Early alignment optimizes components for manufacturability. Project engineering ensures that what is designed can actually be executed. Clear communication eliminates the gaps between concept and production, reducing costly delays. This coordination is best executed through a disciplined, five-step process we call the integrated sourcing system. First, the engineer aligns design specifications with both performance requirements and optimal manufacturability. Next, strategic sourcing selects and qualifies the right global partners, focusing on capability, scalability, and risk mitigation, not just cost. The manufacture step executes production with precision, quality control, and strict adherence to process standards. Inventory management creates flexibility through optimized stocking strategies and aligning inventory with accurate demand forecasts. Finally, the deliver step ensures reliable, on-time delivery with complete visibility across the entire supply chain. When all these functions operate as one system, manufacturers reduce risk, improve margins, and accelerate growth. At CMT, this integrated approach turns sourcing into your competitive advantage.